In this our example, we have more meta elements. We have the author and the description. Now these have two attributes, name and content. Now the name specifies the type of meta element. So it describes what type of information is here. Now the content now contains the actual content, just as the name specifies. So let us talk a little bit about the author and description. For the author, this can specify who wrote the page in particular. So let's say you have a group of people creating a whole website with different pages. The person that created the web page in particular can include his or her name. As for the description, this is useful for search engines. For example, when you make some searches on Google, on the website link under it, you might see some text. Those texts are from the description meta tag on the website head tag. You don't believe me? I will demonstrate it for you. Let us check Lemobit Academy. Lemobit Academy is my website where I host my courses. You can see the text there. Lemobit Academy is your #1 digital library for lifelong learning, JVM language software developers. So you can look at that text. Now we want to inspect the web page. The first thing we do is to open the web page. To inspect the code of a particular web page, you right-click. Especially if you're using Google Chrome, this is straightforward. You can do it on other browsers as well. You will see Inspect on the bottom. Now on the right, you will see the code. There's a lot of code here, but I am looking for the head tag. Now we have a lot of meta tags, but I am looking for the meta tag that has the name description. Now we can see the content of that description is the same text we saw on Google when we searched for Lemobit Academy. So this is to prove to you that the text you see on the search is drawn out from the description meta tag in the web page.